Hey everybody, just want to give you my scenario for my 6-liter diesel. It had a chirp at 70,000 on the belt. So I changed some pulleys, changed the belt, and the chirp went away. Didn't last long, the chirp came back. So eventually that chirp turned into a squeal that was just unbearable. I pulled it all apart and grabbed a new tensioner. I put the tensioner on with the old belt and it still squealed. When I was in there, I noticed the harmonic balancer had a wobble, as you can see in the video, about 1/8 out of balance or out of round. So I ordered a new harmonic balancer from rockauto.com. It was over half the price from the dealership. I installed a new balancer with the old belt and the old tensioner, and the squeal went away. So if you're having problems with your 6-liter belt squeal or the chirp, take a look at the balancer. It should be spinning perfectly round. Anyways, hope this helps, guys.